How's it going, guys? We guys show you page 14. So right now this is day 2 of my travel vlog. Yeah. Because it's a holiday. Yeah. So right now we're going to Tagaytay. Yeah. So see you there. So I just done packing. As you can see the packing. Yeah. So we're going now. So everything is all done. So see you guys later. Or I mean see you guys on the road. See you. Yo, so we're now at Leslie. Yeah, Leslie's. And check it out, guys. So yeah, check Leslie out. So I'm just enjoying the view here. Yeah, I'm enjoying the view. As you can see, that's the view. Yeah, it's a Taal volcano. So maybe kagaling na nga lang. Siguro gagawa ko ng time lapse para doon. Siguro lang. Ano yun? Hindi, gawa na lang talaga ako. So yun, wait lang.
Dapat doon na lang tayo sa
Just got finished from
yung photo.
kakatapos lang po kumain. So ito na ulit kotse. So see you guys later. So palengke naman po tayo ng Tagaytay pupunta. So see you.